iOS 26 shortcuts that you should be using. So first one, we have battery safe zone. For that, get to your shortcut application, and then from here, tap on the automation right here. Then tap on new automation. After doing that, what we're gonna do is simply search for battery adjust. Here you can see battery level right here, tap on it. Then we're going to adjust our battery. So I'm going to set it up to 35%. Here you can see I have done that. Now what you're going to do is select false below. Then in here, tap on run immediately so that you won't be getting any kind of notification while it is being run. Then tap on next. Then in here, what you're going to do is search for low power mode. Set low power mode, tap on it. And then in here, simply tap on this tick option right here. Then we have successfully set it. Now, whenever your battery goes below 35%, your low power mode will automatically be enabled. So for the second one, we have head tracking. If you simply go to your accessibility settings, get to settings first of all, then scroll down, tap on accessibility. Then from here, if you simply scroll down, we get the option of something called head tracking. Here you can see under physical and motor, we have the head tracking. Simply tap this. And in here, we also have multiple different actions. You can set it however you want. For now, I have only set the raise eyebrows one. If you simply tap on it, here you can see I have selected scroll down. So whenever I raise my eyebrows, the system will automatically scroll your phone. Here you can see I have selected scroll down. You can select the gesture however you want. Then for the sensitivity, tap on it. I have selected slight because I don't want too much sensitivity. So I'm going to go back. And if you simply enable this option, you can now use these gesture according to your head. So I'm going to enable this option. And then I'm going to go back and open a specific article. Just like this, here you can see I have opened an article. Now all I have to do is simply raise my eyebrows and it will automatically scroll. And just like this, here you can see it is being scrolled. And just like that, you will be able to use your head tracking on your iOS 26. So if you want to disable this, you can simply go back, get to your settings in here, and simply disable this option just like this. So for the last one, we have something called Smart Search. For that, what you're going to do is go back to your shortcut application, go back and simply open your shortcuts. And then from here, tap on library and then tap on the plus icon right here. After doing that, for the actions, what we're going to do is search for take screenshot. Just like this, I've selected take screenshot. And again, tap on the search actions. Now what we're going to do is search with Lens. We're going to use Google Lens. Here you can see search image with Lens. Simply tap on this one. And now we're all set. If you want to rename it, you can do that by simply tapping on it, tap on rename, and then name it Smart Search. Tap on tick and then go back. And then in order to enable the shortcut, what we're going to do is again get to our settings, get to your main settings. And then again, get to your accessibility from here. And then on your accessibility, we're going to search for touch, tap on touch. And on our touch, we're going to scroll down until we get the option of back tap, tap on it. And then you can either select double tap or triple tap. For now, I'm going to go with triple tap and then scroll all the way down. Then under the shortcuts, we have the option of Smart Search. Simply tap on this one, then you are all set. Now you can open any kind of images. For now, I'm going to open my Google. And here you can see I have this particular image. I'm going to take a screenshot of it. In order to do that, you can simply triple tap on your back of your phone. Here you can see it has automatically screenshotted it and we are on our Google Lens. And just like that, you will be able to enable your smart search on your iOS 26. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.